Challenger 575, Foxtrot, Delta Scottsdale Tower, runway 21, clear flight.
Clear to land 21, 5 Foxtrot.
That is the 6 Hotel Echo, number 2, runway 21, clear to land, caution wake turbulence.
Clear to land, number 2, 6 Hotel Echo.
Just the 4 Sierra Juliet, extend downwind, I will call your base.
Extend downwind, you'll call my base, 634, Sierra Juliet. And now where was the end of for 4 Sierra Juliet?
They're about 2 miles northeast of 2,900, should be starting a base turn shortly.
Got the sign out, thanks, 4 Sierra Juliet.
Just the 4 Sierra Juliet, number 3, follow the Bonanza, runway 21, clear flight.
Number 3, clear to land, runway 21, 4 Sierra Juliet.
Citation 8 Zulu Tango, runway 21, clear to land, number 2 behind a Skyhawk on a close-in left base final.
Clear to land, 21, back,
Search 1 Juliet Whiskey, your number 2 to the runway following the citation off your right wing, report them in sight.
Locust, 1 Juliet Whiskey. We got that citation, 1 Juliet Whiskey.
Search 1 Juliet Whiskey, thank you. Follow the citation, caution turbulence, runway 21, clear to land.
Clear to land, 21, I'll follow the citation, 1 Juliet Whiskey.
Cessna 88 Bravo, extend your downwind, I will call your base, your number 3.
968 Bravo.
Aviator 14, turn right on Alpha 11, text Kilo via Alpha, monitor ground, good day.
Turn right Alpha, Kilo via Alpha, monitor ground.
Regional 1, Echo Alpha, turn right heading 285, runway 21 at Alpha 15, cleared for takeoff. Citation 9 Alpha Zulu, runway 21, clear to land, caution wake turbulence, party regional jet.
Clear to land, 21, 9.
Regional 1 Echo Alpha, once again the heading is 285, contact base Parker, sit.
Departure 285 the heading, we'll see you later.
Just the 4 Sierra Juliet, base turns approved, runway 21, continue.
Base turn approved, 634,
Premier 88 Mike Mike, Scottsdale Tower, and a right base, runway 21, number 2, follow Cessna 3 mile final.
Right base, 21.
Citation 680 Charlie Whiskey, Scottsdale Tower, runway 21, line up away, traffic right base, Cessna. Citation 9 Alpha Zulu, say taxi request.
Hangar 1.
Citation 9 Alpha Zulu, turn left your discretion, taxi Hangar 1 via Bravo, monitor ground, good day. Falcon 5 Echo Kilo, runway 21, clear flight. Drive 95, number 2, runway 21, clear to land, caution wake turbulence.
That's that, number 2, clear to land, runway 21, 595.
That's the 4 Sierra Juliet, right close traffic approved.
Right close, traffic approved, 634, Sierra Juliet.
Parker 8 Echo Zulu, contact base Parker, sit. Falcon 5 Echo Kilo, say taxi request. Cessna 613, base turns approved, just square your turn to final, runway 21, continue traffic holding in position.
Base turn approved,
Falcon 777 Zulu Lima, turn right heading 285, runway 21, cleared for takeoff. This is 4 Sierra Juliet, extend downwind, I will call your base.
Call my base, 634, Sierra Juliet.
This is 613, runway 21, clear to land.
Runway 21,
Drive 95, runway 21, continue traffic will hold in position, a Texas. Executive 787, Scottsdale Tower, reduce the final approach speed and square your turn to a 4 mile final, your number 4 to the airport. That's what they need, I need you slower than that. Challenger 1 Foxtrot Romeo, runway 21, clear plan.
21, clear to land.
Tower, sorry, 67 is 2.8.
Sorry, 67, contact base Parker, sit.
Sorry, 67.
Scalade 1998 Mike, Sarah in a right base, runway 21. Number was 649, contact base Parker, sit.
Over departure, 649, thanks.
Flesh 361, runway 21, clear to land, number 2 behind the Skyhawk on a 1 mile base. 705 Lima Alpha, your traffic follows at your 1 o'clock about a mile and a half opposite direction.
Got that PHENOM inside 5 Lima Alpha.
705 Lima Alpha, thank you, follow the PHENOM, caution turbulence, runway 21, clear to land.
Clear to land runway 21, we follow that man 5 on Alpha.
Cessna, your Bravo sector left turn to the downwind.
Layer 36 kilo, altitude restriction is deleted. Number 2 follows Cirrus on a half-mile final, runway 21, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 21, 7360.
Jet hit 91, Scottsdale Tower, turn right heading 285, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Scottsdale Tower, Aviator 14 off the transition with Alpha and down full stop.
Aviator 14, Scottsdale Tower, make left traffic, runway 21.
Left traffic for 21, Aviator 14.
Cessna 4 Sierra Kilo, right turn out approved, runway 21, clear for takeoff. Jet 891, contact Queen's Parker, see ya.
What's the departure? Good day, Jet 891.